Motorbike Fantas Capture. That's it. What are the key features in this vehicle?
Sorry, sir?
What's the key features I am saying this? The key features what's the
Key features of the vehicle.
Okay.
Right. So this is the Range Rover Autobiography.
Okay.
It has a 3-liter V6
Okay.
petrol engine.
Okay.
It is one of the most comfortable cars you can have. It's a long wheelbase variant.
Okay.
You get all the creature comfort from massager front seat.
Okay.
To a reclining aisle seat.
Okay.
You get a TV display.
Okay.
Video game in the back.
Okay. This is newly launched vehicle, no?
No, sir. This one is 2022 model.
Okay.
This is a pre-owned vehicle.
Okay.
But the new one is for 2.5 CR.
Okay.
You can get it.
Okay. What is the difference with the current 2025 they have launched the Range Rover they have launched the same variant? That one and this one, what is the difference is there in
This
features?
is the old one.
Okay.
And the newer one. Both are the same.
Okay.
In the newer one, you get a complete recliner seat with the front footrest.
Okay.
This one doesn't have the footrest.
Okay.
It's the only difference.
Okay. That's only a single difference. That's only the single difference that telling feature. And then what's the current price for that new Range Rover? Whatever CR.
2.5.
For this one, pre-owned.
Pre-owned is 1.8 CR.
Okay, 1.8. Okay. The pre-owned the Range Rover photography are figure. The same thing which our Sumar Rocky Sat has the same kind of things owned the brand new car is owned, and lot of people are based earlier but at the same car Katina Cafe has this car. All the celebrities own this car, own this car.
Requesting all the stunt enthusiasts to assemble there to witness the stunts.
Okay, recently launched
by
what pictures are getting in this?
Sir, it has level 3 ADAS.
Okay.
It comes with 3 premium segments.
Is it
sir.
open?
No, disclosed.
Okay. What are
It's a standard version, VIP version, and executive version. There are 3 versions.
Okay.
And then this is the executive version, which is the top end model of the
Model.
vehicle.
Okay.
Yeah.
And this comes with the same like Cambrac motor.
Yes.
HEV motor that
Yes.
What is in the
Sir, all the hybrid vehicles comes with HEV badging itself.
Okay, same Cambrac motor all.
Yes, absolutely.
All 3, what are the difference are there?
Sir, all the 3, just the interior comfort, sir.
Okay.
The based on comforts and based on driving, you can choose it.
Okay.
Some people doesn't like full of features.
Okay.
Some people doesn't like interiors.
Okay. Like a current market, the total we have only of the MG has on the new van that market, the computer, another one the Kia, the big car we have one computer bought to the MG9 the engine and this one, what is the difference in there?
Sir, MG comes with the SUV segment.
No, but in the MG9 is an same as welfare.
Yeah. The segments are different. Segments are different. Features are different.
Okay.
End of the day, people go with
Okay. That's very Basically, it's a status card, status card, you can say. So now we don't see in the showroom, after I'm saying auto show, we are seeing this card. That's what you can say, no?
Yeah.
Friend, what are changes are there? Old and new welfare, what are changes are there? In the old welfare and this welfare, what are have been changed currently?
Sir, completely body line is different.
Okay.
Size is different.
Okay.
Interiors are different.
Okay. And you was another company brand is Lexus also has a
Sister brother concept.
Lexus also has the same brand. That one is what difference are there features?
Sir, Lexus is a sister brother concept.
Okay.
Just the design is different, sir.
Okay. That's the current price you're telling, no?
That is the benefit.
50 lakh rupees benefit. What's the current price you told me?
1.56 CR.
That's the top end. Yes. Other 2 variants, what's the price?
Starts from 1.56 CR, goes up to 1.78 CR.
What's the bill of things size of them?
Sir, 19 inches.
19 inches. Bigger than Fortuner type, no?
No. Same as Fortuner.
Fortuner, because we do the bigger it looks, no?
No, it look like bigger.
Okay. This is an executive class chair you're getting inside. There's only reclining chair you're getting. Lexus also comes same features only,
Yes,
no?
yes,
Almost.
same.
Okay. MG 9 we can compare this car, no?
No.
Recently not MG9. Okay. What's the Lexus price? Lexus also has the same price, no?
2.3 CR.
Okay. Little bit costly you're telling, yeah? Compared to the Toyota Lexus, bit costly. Okay. What's the waiting period of this car currently?
Sir, 1 year.
1 year.
It's a make in order. After
Okay,
you
okay.
place the order, we have to wait
Okay.
for minimum 6 to 1
Okay.
year.
This and the land cruiser also.
Yes.
Both are waiting for a car only. Both are almost 1 year only.
Yes.
What's the land cruiser price currently?
2.5 CR.
2.5 CR. Okay. Everything you should come from Japan only, no?
Yes.
This come from Japan only.
Yes.
Okay. Other cars have been manufactured in the big plant only. Like the welfare and
Welfare Camry. sir.
Camry, this new Camry and
LC, Land Cruiser.
LC 300, no? 300 comes from Japan, you're telling.
Yes.
Okay. So, to be very nice to see this welfare.
Thank you, sir.
Only welfare. Normally in showroom I asked they don't give a display, they're telling. That's very nice to see. With one in a piece I'm thinking today.
Yes.
Which rocket sir, Yash has the same thing only, no?
Yes, Yash has same.
He has a
And even Risham Shetty has.
he has a older version, no? Yash is the older version also, no?
Yes, sir.
And this is new version, no?
Yes.
Okay. Many people buy for the status and comfort seat.
Yes.
The race seat only. It is same like a sofa like seat together. That's a feature. This is a shuffle-driven car basically.
Yes, sir.
But don't look little bit low.
Sir, it's a 175 mm ground clearance.
Okay.
It's a self-adjusting suspension, sir.
Okay. Same like a bus you're telling us. Same like a wall bus, there's a air suspension.
yes.
Yes, there's a button and how
No, it is an automatic.
automatic. What we say in the 9W
Yes.
AC bus, but
Automatic.
almost. And I'm comfortable, it only lift by itself button.
yes,
And it comes down and listen.
Yes.
Same like a wall bus, you can
Yes.
almost. Okay, nice feature. What are the accessories are getting this car? Accessories? The
Sir,
company-
accessories, there are no certain accessories for this car, sir.
Okay.
Because if you load the accessories, it looks awkward.
Okay.
We can leave as it is.
Okay. Yeah. It's bit little bit big, no?
Yes.
Long and wide. What's the length of the vehicle? Little bit looks very long. It looks
Yes, sir.
very
It is a 5120 mm length,
length. Okay. Okay.
bigger than the high cross and fast.
Okay. The old welfare it is little bit
bigger. Not little bit. It is 2 times bigger.
2 times bigger now. New welfare is bigger than the old welfare.
Yes.
Actually. And much feature loaded now.
Yes.
You can say almost. Okay. Well, what we see, they basically comes as a stock. What customer will get everything to
Yes.
get that. Okay. It's a 5-star hotel on wheels.
Yes.
People call it a security
Yes.
design. Okay. Under the Lexus also, you also take booking, no? The people want to buy Lexus
Sir, if
car.
you are going for Lexus, you have to go and take it in the Lexus itself.
Okay.
As it is a sister brother company.
Okay, okay.
So if you are going for Toyota, you have to come with us.
Okay. No? Nice. I like to see very nice.
Sure, sir.
Uh,
You can have a
it comes with the phone, no?
Sir?
It comes with phone. It comes, huh? What
No, it's a module. It's a module. It's not a
Module.
phone.
Okay, so module. That
Just
only
the interior module.
This is a 7-seater car, no? 7-seater car hotel. It's all three captains are getting.
Yes.
Okay. There is a sunroof in there, no?
Yes, sir.
There is a sunroof. It's a side, no?
Yes, side is on. Not in the center.
Okay, nice. Same like what is it in the first class LS Lex you are getting in this? Okay, nice. What is the maintenance cost for this? If you remember, what is the maintenance cost for this car? Car to maintain
Sir,
for which car?
maintenance cost, it will come based on your driving, sir.
Okay. Because it's not so easy to maintain this huge car now.
No, sir.
Huge
Toyota
mammoth
and all, as it is a hybrid vehicle,
Okay.
it will cost around 25,000 to 30,000 for maintenance.
Because it looks like a mammoth car now.
Yes.
That's why maintenance will be
Higher.
will be higher side compared to any other other cars now. Camry, this is a maintenance car only.
Both
No?
are both also.
It's locked. Okay. What is it in Camry? Same case other. Same like Camry. Okay, thank you.